Hi guys, so I'm going to show you two things. So the first thing is um how if you want to use a green screen and you don't have the room for a green screen or space for a green screen, just have a solid wall for the stuff. For a solid color in the room. So if you have like multicolors, it won't actually work, or if there's too much like differential in light, then it won't work. So the first thing you have to do is go on the internet and go to OBS and type in OBS background removal, and then you'll click on the download button, which will be on the OBS's website. Then let me show you. So it's this one right here, this website right here. And you go to this website here, which is you get the model 3.0 0.3.0, and you click on your version operating system, which in my case it is Windows. You type in Windows, and you download this one. You'll go on to your desktop, then get this file, which is this. You copy this, place it wherever you have OBS located at. If it's 64, this is 64. It's usually under C programs. Then you go to program files. Then you go to program files. Sorry about the noise. Then you go down to OBS Studio. Then you basically paste it here, because it's the data and OBS plugin folder. Then after that, you open OBS, and one second, I gotta get OBS over here. Sorry. So then you go over here. Then you go to your camera, and then you basically click on the filters. I'll show you with this one. So you would click on filters, then you would click on filters, then you would go to here, and then you click on the one that says the it would say it was the camera one, so it would say the chroma key one. It'll erase the background eraser. And once you do actually that, because you basically do what I just did, but you click on your camera. And once you click on camera, click on there, it removes your background. You set a couple settings on how you would like it. One of the options is basically getting rid of the actual having a clear image, but you can't have your arms there or it'll cut up. The other option is to have a not so clear image, but your arms will show up perfectly fine. But you have to have the same color on your wall, or not so much of a color difference, evenly lighting, just like with a regular green screen. It'd be easier to just use a green screen, because of green screen just works, and you just add the chroma key instead. And then after that, you click on the same button right here, and then click on, not that button, you actually click on filter, and then after you click on filter, you click on here, and then add chroma key. And once you add chroma key, it would basically blend in with the background. It would blend in with your wallpaper or whatever you are doing that with. So there's that. Now going back to the web browser, this is the other thing you would need. So basically, first you go on to this website right here and make a circle by clicking on this tool right here, creating a circle, and then clicking on fill it black. And then depending on where you have your camera at, so if you have your camera at eye level, so where it's like you can look straight into it, you basically put it into the center. If you have the camera down lower, like looking up at you, then you have the circle up higher. And if you have it up higher, which I do, you have it point down lower for like one of them. Okay. Then after that, you basically press file save, and then save it as something you want. For example, you can save it as mask one and save it as a PNG file. It has to be a PNG file. Press download. I'm not gonna do that because I already did that. I have mine saved. So let me go back over to OBS. So for OBS, you go over here. You go to your camera settings, and you right click on here. You right click on there. You can do this to like any scene, by the way. So you click on filters, then you click on here, then you click on image mask / blend, name whatever you want, press OK, and then you basically change this from alpha mask to alpha channel. Then once you name it to alpha channel, you can basically mess with the opacity, but then you basically press the browse, and then the file, whatever you named that circle file as, that has a PNG file, you basically load that there, press close, and then let me just delete this real quick. So you press save, and after you press save, you should have something like this. Not that, but this is my webcam in the corner as a circle, because that uses the image. And so if we were to load up another one, this is this webcam over here. This one has opacity on there set to like, I think around 30, like 75%. And this is for when I'm opening stuff over here and you need to see it over here, instead of just showing more of over there. And so what I was gonna do was I was gonna put some more posters over here, but basically this is basically if you just want to not have a green screen, or if you don't want to mess with the software stuff of green screens, and you don't want to mess with an actual green screen, and you don't have the room where you don't want to have to basically move it every time you want to basically have a background. So what I would do is basically, this is the far simplest way, like decorate the spot that is shown in camera with like stuff you want to show on camera. For example, like posters, figures, whatever, DVDs, and then just put it into the background. And have this and set up somewhat something like this. So yeah, I hope you like that so far, and thanks for watching. Bye.